In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with Dear First Name. Personalizing your emails can greatly enhance engagement with your subscribers by making each message feel unique and tailored to them. So let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section. To do this, click on Campaigns and then select All Campaigns. From here, you'll want to hit the Create Campaign button and choose Email. This is where the magic begins. Now, at this stage, you'll need to decide what kind of email you want to design. For most people, a regular email will work perfectly fine. But if you have a specific need, feel free to select another option that suits your campaign. Once you've made your choice, click on Design Email. This will take you into the email editor, where you can start building the email's layout and content. Design is an important aspect of email marketing because it's the first thing your subscribers will notice when they open your message. As you work on your design, you'll see text blocks throughout the email editor. These are perfect spots for adding personalized content. When you've chosen a text block, click on it to edit the content. Here's where we add that personal touch. In the text block, type something like "Dear Name, welcome to our newsletter." This line is an example of how we use what's called a merge tag. A merge tag is a dynamic placeholder that Mailchimp uses to pull in specific subscriber information, like their first name from your audience list. In this case, the merge tag for the first name will be automatically replaced by each subscriber's actual name when the email is sent. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your messages feel more personal and direct. Once you've added your merge tag, it's always a good idea to preview how your email will look to your recipients. To do this, head over to the Preview section and select Enter Preview Mode. This feature allows you to see exactly how your email will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. Take a moment to check your formatting, design, and of course, the personalization. Everything should look polished and professional next. It's time to test your email to ensure everything is working as it should. Use the Send a Test email option to send a draft to yourself or a colleague. This will allow you to verify that the merge tag is functioning properly and that the first names are populating as expected. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises when you send the email to your full list. And that's it. You've successfully added a personalized touch to your Mailchimp email campaign. Personalization is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make your email stand out, and using a subscriber's first name can go a long way in building a connection with your audience. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.